Hi, I'm Brian, and this is my invention, the Xtionberry pie. The Xtionberry pie is a simple handheld device to record depth camera information of lava caves, which can be turned into a 3D model of the cave. The main parts of the Xtionberry pie are a Raspberry Pi, an Asus Xtion depth camera, and a power source, meaning it is self-contained. Auckland is unique in the way that it has over 50 volcanoes in it, and with volcanoes comes lava caves. This is a problem, because caves can collapse and we don't even know where most of them accurately go, or how much weight they can carry. So you could know where the entrance to a cave is, but you wouldn't know if it went under your house or your neighbour's, or whether your house is going to suddenly fall into it. But if you just happen to have a 3D scan of the cave, you can overlay it with a map and know exactly where the cave goes to the millimeter. Here is a graph showing the current scanners available on the market. Other scanners have the disadvantage of either being extremely expensive, heavy to lug about, or only scan objects, not a scene. My Xtionberry pie fills in a gap in the market for a product that is lightweight, cheap, and handheld. Scanning with the Xtionberry pie is very easy. Simply power on the Raspberry Pi, plug in the Xtion scanner, then run a script from the menu bar to open the scanning app. Now, simply press the S button to start scanning and S again to stop. The actual scanning involves waving around the handheld scanner about the cave we wish to scan, with a second person holding a light source. But how does the Xtionberry pie actually work? The Xtionberry pie records depth information. In the same way that a normal camera would record the color of each pixel, the Xtion records the distance to each pixel, making a little 3D model of what it sees. The Xtionberry pie records this information and saves it to be later used by a computer. Next, you must upload the scans to a computer where it converts each of the frames into little 3D models. Each of the 3D models has some overlap to the one next to it, which it then must stitch to make one big point cloud. This is quite a difficult process that can take a few hours. After this, the point cloud model must be made into a mesh. A mesh is a lot of little triangles that all collect together to make a surface, and at each corner of these triangles is where a point from a point cloud would be. To turn a point cloud into a mesh, the computer has to figure out which point to connect the other points to. No, the Xtionberry pie is not yet finished. I still haven't solved the problem of how to turn the recorded information into a point cloud. Here is a point cloud image of the cave I scanned from my computer, showing the sort of information my Xtionberry pie can produce. I hope to solve this problem one day so I can turn my Xtionberry pie into a commercially available product.